Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got my man Mike's Fridge 60 sitting here now. Mike has been very patiently waiting for this fridge. He's been by the shop, checked out our operation, and Mike, we appreciate you, buddy. You've been a great customer, and he has got one badass Fridge 60 here. So let's check her out. Like I said, this is a Fridge 60. So that's a 60-inch long, 24 inches deep. Now we got 3 sliding trays in here. All of our fridges have 3 sliding trays. All full depth. I mean, this is a lot of cook room on this cooker here. This is a reverse flow, so we got removable reverse flow plates down here, direct the smoke all the way across, then back out of the stack. He did get a couple upgrades, as you can see. Start off with that stainless steel front shelf. We've got a cup holder here to hold your working man's Gatorade here, a little bit of Miller Lite. Off-road package with upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. About that right there. It's a very good name here, Big HOSS Barbecue. We did a 3/8 plate logo instead of the stainless we normally do. He asked for that. Come around to our hot box. Now guys, on the Fridge 60, you get an extra large firebox and an extra large hot box. So we still got 5 sliding trays in here. Well, we got 2 in here right now. We have to get some more. We got 5 sliding trays in here, over 2,000 square inches of cook space in here. We got a removable plate with daisy wheels in the bottom. So this runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So you can be running 2 different temperatures off the same fire. Here we got our insulated firebox with our fire management cradle in there. D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. Come around to the back here. Now we've got not just a rear folding shelf, but also a side folding shelf. Say our man Mike here knows the deal on a fridge, guys. You've got to get all those shelves. I mean, ton of shelf space on this smoker. Wraparound shelves, really. A lot of guys dream about that wraparound front porch. We dream about the wraparound shelves on the smoker. But guys, that is Mike's Fridge 60, about to ship it out to him. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.